Hi everyone, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Cara, back with part 2 of Christmas in July Swap 2024, hosted by the wonderful Carol from Crinkled Path, along with her co-host Angela the Traveling Crafter, BB's Closet Creations, and Sarah from New England Junk Journals. I have a list down below in the description box. Don't forget to check out all the participants. It has been so much fun seeing what everybody's been receiving. This is a 3-part swap, so this is part 2, and we are going to be sharing part 3 sometime soon. For part 2 of the swap, we were going to send at least 3 crafty supplies, so I'm super excited. I was out of town since Friday afternoon, and I'm back now, and I finally got the package, so I'm super happy. And again, big thank you to my Secret Santa. Let's see what we have. And this is a heavy package. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at the packaging. Let me just turn it over. Let's take a look at the card. It says, "Oh, Christmas tree." And I love Santa and the reindeers and all the woodland creatures. How gorgeous is that? Let me read it real quick, and hopefully I can get a clue, but my sweet Secret Santa has left this blank, so I can definitely reuse that. It says here, "Greetings, Cara. Merry Christmas in July 2024. This is your Secret Santa. I want you to know how hard it is to keep from revealing who I am. It's been fun crafting for you and finding items on your list. I'm sending you what I've been able to find for you." Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I hope you find them satisfactory. One of the items is vintage. I found it in an antique store one lucky day. Ho, 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 ho. From your Secret Santa. I love it. That is so exciting. Where do we begin? Oh, I love that. Look at the way she has packaged this. This is just amazing. Let's start off with this one. I love it. It has been pretty hard to guess who everyone's Secret Santa is. I thought I had it right already in the beginning, and then I'm having second thoughts. So if you'd like to join in the guessing game, make sure you check out Carol's channel. She has an announcement there about how you can join. Oh my goodness. I love it, Secret Santa. These are gorgeous. I love sari trim, and look at the wonderful variety that she has shared with me. Oh my gosh. These are gorgeous. Look at this one. Teal blue is my favorite. And look at that paisley. Oh wow. More. This is just amazing. This is so generous. And look at this one with the scallop edge, and the embroidery work is just gorgeous. Wow. I'm just blown away. I'm like speechless at the moment, just looking at all the unique pieces she's curated here. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. I am really, really baffled as to who my Secret Santa is. Now I really don't know who it is. This is just amazing. Oh my gosh. If you guys have been following along, I'm sure you've seen the amazing packages that everyone's been receiving. And oh my gosh, the guessing game continues. Look at that vintage looking rose gold colors. I love it. And then we have some orange. Oh, I love all these colors. Beautiful. I'm going to put this aside. Let me just take the tissue paper, and we are going to put this beautiful bundle over here so that we can open this. Oh, it's a heavy one. This is really heavy. I am going to put this by my front door. I actually have a sign, but this is much clearer, so I'm definitely going to hang that. And perfect for a dog fin. I love it. Aww. This is so pretty and soft. Look at this fabric. Goodness. Love that shimmer. I hope you guys can see that on camera. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is more than what they had required. Secret Santa. Oh my gosh. I am just like so blown away. Oh my goodness. Look at the sewing theme buttons. I love it. I love it. Oh, and vintage fashion stickers. Let's open this up. This is so much fun. Sorry about the loud crinkling noise. Let me give you a little preview of what this bundle looks like. Oh, this will definitely look good in a journal. I love it. Or ATCs. Really wonderful. And look, I have been wanting my own little sewing needle, sewing notion, and I love this so much. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Look at that nickel-plated rust-proof needles. And here's the other backside. That's so cool. And there are fabric yo-yos. How fun are these? I love using these as tabs in my journals. There's so many other different ways you can use them. So Secret Santa, I love this. And look at all those wonderful colors. These are all my favorite colors. I love it. I love it so much. These are so well made. Oh my gosh, there's so much. We have the Mo Cards Dream Ballet. Look at these colors. Just beautiful. I love baby pink, so this is perfect. We have more. I want to open this now because I see that cute. It's a freeze frame kit. And here they are. These are amazing. We have vintage antique images. I love it. How fun are these to be put in a cute little journal? I cannot wait. How cute. And there is more. What is this? And here it is. Look at these envelopes. Wouldn't that make a great little flip out? That's the back side. And it comes with coordinating paper, stationery. I love it. I love using the packaging for my tags. Oh my gosh. And she's also included Bo Bunny. Oh my gosh. So here are the prints. Oh, well, I'll show you that because it's stuck here, but they are a wonderful variety of florals. We have our sewing, we have maps, everything I like, music, photography. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful collection here. Love it so much. Oh my gosh, I am a big fan of Mary Engelbright's illustrations. I only have her note cards. I have a small collection of those and probably one or two of her books, but I do not have this. And if you guys have been following me, you guys know how much I love tea time. Oh my gosh, Secret Santa. This is an amazing find. Wow, 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 wow. I'm so happy. This is like, it's like Christmas. Oh my gosh. And in such great condition. Just to give you a preview of what is in here. I'm definitely going to sit down and look at every page in a little bit, but I just wanted to quickly show you what's in here. Oh my gosh. This is just, oh my gosh, super, super generous. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Thank you very much. Again, this is part 2 of the Secret Santa Christmas in July swap from my amazing Secret Santa who clearly knows me very, very well. So, I don't know who it might be. I am still very, very baffled and intrigued by who it might be. So, let's see. So, watch out for part 3. That's the day we reveal our identities, and I'm super excited. Make sure to check out everyone's channels and see what they've been receiving. Again, thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.